Hello everyone, on the 15th we went outside some few kilometers outside Polokwane and we did an installation in the village of Kotang. And when we did that installation, there are certain things that we are addressing here that we want our client to know. We make all these users, and here is my user. We tell him how to log inside. I'm gonna put my password inside and I will manage to log inside. We speak about making a product. We say that if you want to make a product, you go here, stock, then stock diary, and you must put your mouse here. Then when you put your mouse here, if you write like 20 as a reference or scan by the scanner and say enter, it will tell you that the product is not found. Then you can write the details of the product, like if it's sweets, you can write sweets here, but everything must be in caps lock. Sweets is just a normal product. Then we must put it under probably let me put it under cold drinks, then VAT inclusive. Then I must put the price of it, which is 5 rand, and say okay. But it's just a normal product. I must count them and tell them that there is 10 of sweets that is I have. Then now if I go cold drinks and sweets, I will see that in stock there is 10 sweets that is available. Probably I want to reduce. I found out that there is 8, there is no 10. I must put 2 here. Then I must put here as out movement, then say save. Now I have 8. This is very, very important, especially for just a normal product. We have to adjust the stock value, and also we have to play around with adding if we see that there is some changes that we have done. This is very, very important for a normal product. We also I saw that under butchery and fruit and veggie there is what we call variable priced product. This variable priced product is just the same, but we have to put it using these products here, and we can assign a code for it. If we say, now we say it's for onion, we say O N, then we say onions. But because onions we can't know the price of it, we will just put 0 as the selling price. But here under stock we must make it variable priced product. When we save it like this, onion will appear under fruit and veg. If we try to sell it, it will tell us that variable priced product, please enter the price for product. Supposedly that today I want to sell onion 350, all right, 3.5. Then I click onion will come up. This is how the variable priced product works. And also we saw that for our client is having some kitchen products. The kitchen product is the kitchens which you probably want to create chips, and that product we must use here products and put a reference for it, probably CH. Then we say chips more, and we must put it under kitchen, and here text inclusive. Then here we know the price of chips more is 35 rand, but here we must make it print to a remote printer, because we want 2 slips. When we are selling it, we want one to be sent to the kitchen and one to be left to the customer with the same order number. This is how it is. Then we edit. Then if you go here on the sales, if we go to the chips, small chips, we can manage to send it to the kitchen. This is how these products are different. And also we discussed about the credit functions, which is very, very important for our client. Credit facility works like this. If a new customer comes, we must enter the customer ID. We can even use the ID or 4 letters of his ID, which is 4598. Then we must search key it is determined by the name. If the name is so the search keys will be S and D, and here we must make it visible. We can decide how much we want him to take. Probably the maximum limit he must take from the shop is 100 rand. So now if we save, we can put all other details like his phone number, everything, then we save him like this. Probably if he comes to buy, I must go to the customers here and look for SD as a search key. SD, if I say execute, it will come this tunnel. Then he came, he buy probably cold drinks, he get all these cold drinks. Then here we must choose, he take it by Scoloto, which is a date. We must assign it as a date and say okay. Now this cell is completed. We also show our customer where to find all the reports of this. You tell him that he can go here under the customer data, and here if we run a report, you're gonna see that Daniel Shumba is owing us 45 rand. And also we told him that Daniel Shumba, because we give him a maximum date of 100 rand, probably let us try to sell something until it's above 100 rand. Daniel Shumba comes back, and Daniel Shumba, now I don't have I have to execute him and attach a sell to him, and let me say buy other things which is more than 100 rand. And now I want to give him a date. Now you see it says customer exceed limit. He's not allowed to take that date, and this thing, it won't allow him to give him the date which is above his limit. This is where this is very, very important. If we say that it's 100, which means his limit is used up, he can't be allowed to be given a date which is above the limit. Now you can see that we can't process him as a date. It needs a cash or a bank, or he must reduce that date so that he can be allowed to have the date, because it have a date limit functions. Thank you very much. I think if you have any other issue that you want us to discuss, okay, there is also this one. This button is to open cash drawer. If you see it, is to open cash drawer. And also there is this button which is to delete a cell. We can completely delete a cell. This is to reverse. This you can use it to search items. You can search item by barcode, like say 800, and say okay, there is no item like that, like say 80, and say okay. There is this one which comes because it tells you how many is in the stock. This is how to make a sale using our point of sale. Thank you very much for your support, and we would like to hear from you where you have challenges, and we can give you a detailed support from where you have challenges. We will have other adjustments. If you want any other adjustments, you can talk to us. We are adjusting so that it can fit exactly what you really want. Thank you very much.